let's take a look at the car real quick. Driving out 87 and following this guy. See how it goes. Oh, what the fuck is that in the middle of the road? Okay, just a burb. Oh, he's eating no dead possums. That's not nice. Out there in the goddamn gator. Oh my god, it's so much. WRX is there. Yeah, it is the single door WRX. Oh, I love that thing. Or single door? I mean 2-door. Donkey. By the way, no traffic over 10,000 pounds. So your mother's not allowed up this road. Windy roads for 2 miles. Sounds good to me, partner. Goddamn hill climb. Cone. Oh, a lot of mud on the road. Now, there's a sharp right hand up here, and it fucking throws anybody off anytime they come up here. Don't ever come up this road if you don't know it. Oh, what's up, partner? Lifted partner too. Yeah, these roads are way better at night. Also a little bit scarier too. Right-hander. I'll be honest, I don't know if there's even a speed limit on this road. Oh, took out a tree. You know, little old me. Hopefully no one's over this crest. Almost crashed another guy once. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. That's awesome. What's up, Mr. School Bus Driver that's mowing his lawn? Oh, he's taking a shit. Bird move. Burb. Nice fun downhill that has a deceiving final corner at the bridge. What's up, dear? The fuck are you doing out here? Well, I know what you're doing out here. You live over there. Alrighty. Rouge. Oh, what are you doing, old people? Meow. Right hook. Meow. Oh, shirtless. Oh, jump. I forgot about this. Whee! You can easily jump back. No spray? Why did that? No spray. Why does it say no spray on the sign? Yeah, this is the second most dangerous road I know of, at least in Pennsylvania. Oh, Chipmunk! What's up, buddy? This shit is crazy. It has a crazy downhill and it's got some crazy off-putting corners. This one, I don't know. You can't, like, you can go fast on it, but at your own discretion. There we go, there's one. Can't see over the crest, but then it turns into a right-hander. Kind of see this one coming, but if you're going too fast, you might screw it up. Driving on this road whenever there's ice, like nothing but ice on the road, god awful plan. Don't do it. Wouldn't recommend. One lane bridge. Normally this is the road where I will see deer, like just hanging out on the sides. I know, it's got all this shade of trees, but yet this grass area, which this guy's mowing his fucking lawn on the road. Come on, dude. Hate when people do that shit. We're in Gamble Township, by the way, apparently. Coming up to the part where you definitely need brakes. Like you can tell just from that sign right there. Don't know how rich people live on this fucking road, but they do. So, out. I'd be scared to even ride a longboard down this. Or anything with wheels for that matter that don't have brakes. And here's the sharp right-hander into the stop sign. And it's a good test for some brakes if you really want to test your brakes. After all that, we're right back where we started, but I don't know why that truck's going up there. Let's see, there's the road where we took a right, and the two-door WRX is back here. Look at that fucking view, though. Hello, horses! And donkey. Donkey! And here's the two-door WRX. God, that thing's so nice. I don't know what it is, but two-door WRX. I say like I fucking like it or something. I love the GTR, and it's a two-door all-wheel drive car. So that might be where that love kind of spawns from. All right. Time to go grab dinner.